हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आईएएस विद संतोष। आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाला हूं जो यूपीएससी 2023 में पक्का पूछा जाएगा और इस वीडियो के द्वारा मैं आपको 2 मार्क्स गिफ्ट करने वाला हूं यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स 2023 में। गाइज, आपने काफ़ी बार बॉलीवुड के मूवीज देखे होंगे 20 साल बाद, 50 साल बाद। तो आज मैं आपसे प्रीलिम्स की मूवी शेयर करने वाला हूँ 10 साल बाद। गाइज, ये क्वेश्चन आपके प्रीलिम्स 2013 में आया था, ठीक है, CSC 2013। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग फाउना: घड़ियाल, लेदरबैक टर्टल, स्वैम्प डियर। विच ऑफ द अबव ईजर आर एंडेंजर्ड? गाइस, इसको यदि आप माइन्यूटली इस क्वेश्चन को देखें तो आपको एक चीज दिखेगा, लेदर बैक टर्टल। गाइस, दिस ईयर दिस स्पीसीज इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड if I was the paper setter, I would definitely give a question on leatherback turtle. Let me explain you why. Guys, you can see, okay, you can see here, okay, the government of India has come out with a project in the Great Nicobar Island, and in the Great Nicobar Island we have Galathea Bay Wildlife Sanctuary, okay, which is very important from the perspective of turtle conservation, particularly this leatherback turtle. You can see here in February 2021, Indian National Marine Turtle Action Plan, Indian National Marine Turtle Action Plan mentioned Galathea Bay Wildlife Sanctuary on the southeastern coast of the Great Nicobar Island as one of the most important marine turtle habitats in India. This is very important. This Galathea Bay Wildlife Sanctuary, is one of the most important marine turtle habitats in India. What are these most important marine turtle habitats in India? So for that, what I have done is that I have gone to the Marine Turtle Action Plan. In the Marine Turtle Action Plan, okay, they have shared important marine turtle habitats in India. They have shared a list of this. I am going to discuss this in this video. This video is going to be very important. Okay, so if you go through this Marine Turtle Action Plan, in the very first page they have mentioned that Indian coastal waters supports 5 species of sea turtles in India. Indian coastal waters support 5 species of turtles. Okay, marine turtle I'm talking about. One is the Oliver turtle, Oliver Ridley turtle. The second is called green turtle. Third is called hawkbill turtle. Then is the leatherback turtle, and other is the loggerhead turtle. Okay, again I repeat, Oliver Ridley turtle. Again I repeat myself. Okay, Oliver Ridley turtle, green turtle, hawkbill turtle, leatherback turtle, and loggerhead turtle. These are the 5 turtles, okay, marine turtles basically, which are found in the coastal waters of India. Okay, 5 species. All these turtles are protected under Schedule 1 of Wildlife Act. This also is very favorite, okay, topic of UPSC. Like they will ask you which of these are in protected under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Act. Okay, another important point you can say here, India is home to the largest known breeding nesting population of Oliver Ridley. Okay, so Oliver Ridley turtle, India is one of the home to the largest breeding, okay, habitats of Oliver Ridley, except loggerhead turtle. You can see here, except loggerhead turtle, the remaining 4 species, which is leatherback, hawksbill, green, and Oliver Ridley turtle, nest along the Indian coastline and islands of India. This is very important. Except, okay, loggerhead, all the 4, which is Oliver Ridley, hawksbill, leatherback turtle, and the green turtle, okay, except the loggerhead, all, okay, nest along the Indian coastal waters. This is very very important. This information is very very important. Please note down, except loggerhead turtle, and these 5 species are also very important. Now in that marine turtle plan only they have given, action plan only they have given the types of threats, because UPSC sometimes gives you what are the threats. Okay, you can see here, loss of nesting beach, okay, coastal development, pollution, light pollution, marine pollution, plastic pollution, and nest predation. Sometimes, okay, predators will come and they will eat their eggs. Okay, then offshore mortality, bay catch due to near shore fishing, destruction of habitats, plastic pollutions. Okay, so these are some of the threats of, okay, faced by these turtles. Okay, now let us see important marine turtle habitats. Okay, very very important. Just let us have a look at it. Okay, you can see here, In Odisha, we have 3 locations. Rushikulia River. Rushikulia River is always favorite topic of UPSC prelims examination. Okay, it is there in the Ganjam district. It is the mass nesting ground for Oliver Ridley turtles. Then we have Gahir Matha River. Gahir Matha River is also very favorite topic of UPSC. Again, it is a mass ground nesting for Oliver Ridley. Then we have Devi River. Devi River is also mass nesting site of Oliver Ridley. So these are the 3 important rivers which you should prepare: Rushikulia, Gahir Matha and Devi River. Then guys, which is the most important topic of this video, is the Galathea Bay. Which is in the Great Nicobar Islands. This is the largest leatherback turtle nesting ground in India. This is the largest leatherback turtle nesting ground in India. Very, 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 very important. Other places in Andaman and Nicobar Islands are what? Bahua Beach. Okay, Bahua Beach. Then West Bay Beach, Muchikon Beach, Kiang Beach. Okay, Cuthbert Bay in Andaman. Then South Reef Island in Andaman. Okay, South Reef Island is for hawksbill. Okay, Cuthbert is for leatherback, green turtle, hawksbill and Oliver Ridley. And West Bay is for leatherback nesting. Okay, leatherback nesting. Okay, ground currently largest in Andaman group. So these 2 are very important, if I can say so. These 2 are very important. Okay, these 2 are very important. One is the Galathea Bay. This is the largest leatherback turtle nesting ground in Great Nicobar Island. And then is the this one, West Bay, which is the leatherback nesting ground in Andaman group of islands. Okay, West Bay. These 2 are very important. But you should go through the entire list. Then we have in Lakshadweep also, Lakshadweep lagoons. Okay, you see here Agati, Kadamat, okay, Karavati. We have green turtles there. Then you see Soheli Island, Oliver Ridley, hawksbill, green. Then we have Andhra Pradesh, Godavari River. Then Kapasuduki. Then beaches along Krishna River, Penuru River. Okay, we have Oliver Ridley. You can see here. Then we have in Puducherry. Again Oliver Ridley. Okay, the river is called Arasalar River. Then in Tamil Nadu we have Gulf of Mannar, which is very important, Gulf of Mannar. Then Tamil Nadu, Chennai coast also we have sporadic Oliver Ridley turtles breeding. Then we have in Gujarat, okay, green turtle, Oliver Ridley turtle. In West Saurashtra, Jamnagar. Okay, Jamnagar we have a marine sanctuary, you should know that. Okay, then in Maharashtra, Sindhudurg Court, and in Goa also Galgi Baga Beach, sporadic Oliver Ridley nesting. So this list is very, very important. You can pause the video and you can note down. This. Okay, at least the topic which I have highlighted. Okay, you should note down. Let me again go back to what I was discussing. Okay, so why this is important? Because this Galathea Bay Wildlife Sanctuary, it is one of the largest, okay, breeding ground for leatherback turtle. Okay, so this leatherback turtle, they can ask you its IUCN status also. So guys, IUCN status, if you see, okay, if you go and you cross check, so there is something called global status, and then there is status subpopulation in the Indian Ocean. So the subpopulation of this leatherback in the Indian Ocean, it is critically endangered. However, overall it is vulnerable. Okay, so this you have to be very careful. You can cross check also over the internet, because some places they will say vulnerable, okay, and some places they will say critically endangered. But actually how it is, global population is vulnerable, but the Indian subpopulation is called, okay, critically endangered, IUCN status. So this, why this Galathea Bay is important, guys. In Galathea Bay, okay, this year there is going to be a question, okay, what are the other species we find there here? You can see Nicobar tree shrew, Nicobar megapod, Nicobar pigeon, Malayan palm civet. These are very, very important. Okay, so you should go through that. Galathea Bay Wildlife Sanctuary is very important. You can see overall. Okay, in this island, Great Nicobar Island, we have 2, okay, PBTGs also, Shompen and Nicobaris. This is again very important. Shompen and Nicobar. You see how many questions in just one video. I'm not even taking your 10 minutes also, and you see how many questions I have predicted. So thank you guys. Please do consider liking this video. I have framed question on each and every topic in my most expected series on this topic. Please do attempt them. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.